Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll learn the function dB. It's for depreciation. So, how to calculate the depreciation? Let's look at the example. Say, for example, the price of a car is 15 lakhs. Salvage amount. What is salvage amount? See, I don't want to depreciate to the last rupee. So what I say, even after end of the span of the car, uh, there should be some value. So it's still worth 4 lakhs after the 10 years which we are given the ideal lifespan of the car. So end of the uh, 10th year, the value of the car should be 4. Now depreciate what would be the value of the car for each year. Okay, I have given here the years 1 to 10. And to calculate the depreciation, we'll put equals to dB, open bracket, open bracket. See what you can see, cost. Our cost is here. So cost of the car is here. I select D2. Here I select D2 and I'll make this locked. Locked in the sense when we drag, it will take the reference, a relative cell. Here in F2, it will be 2 to D2, and when we drag in next year, it will take D3, which is incorrect, and it will go further. Here there are no values down, so the value will be wrong. So I'll lock. How to lock? Press F4. Okay, in your function in your keyboard, F4. See, you can see the dollar symbol next to D and next to the 2. That is, column D is also locked, column row is also locked. So you can toggle between this and you press F2. Only the row is locked. Here only column is locked. But we want both it to be constant. So I'll put here, it's just a relative. So I put dollar between before T and before 2. That is before column and before row. So it will be locked. Okay. And the salvage amount. What is the salvage amount? Here. D3. D3 also I'll press F4 to lock it. Okay. And life period is here. This also I'll lock it. D4. Then year. So I take this one. I will not lock it because when we drag, it has to take the corresponding relative number. So I just close and enter. So the depreciation for the first year is 1,86,000. I just double click on this right bottom. There is one square, a green square. I just double click autofill. That is called autofill. So it automatically fills the formula for me. So it depreciates this much, and whatever the depreciation. Now we'll see what is the value of the car for each year. So it's just this minus the our depreciation value. So I just put here, enter, and I autofill. Just double click or you can drag it. Oh, sorry. Here, yeah, I told you we have to lock account here. Uh, this will be locked. Oh, sorry. Again, we have done mistake. So this is the second row. Let us minus from. So here I'll put equals to, now the value of the car after first year is 30 lakh 14,000. So from here we'll minus the depreciation. So previous minus current depreciation. The value of car in the second year is 11 lakh 51,000. So now you just sort of in, and you can see what is the value. For example, in sixth year, the value of car is 6,77,822 and 37 paise. And if you look at the last year, the 10th year, what we have given 4 lakhs. So it retains at this one. So just close to 4 lakhs, 3,99,146. So we told, okay, this is a salvage amount. So after 10th year, the value of the car is 3,99,000. So it is applied depreciation based on this. Okay, so you can use this formula to calculate the depreciation. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.